Okay, I'm a Brickseek member and I won Mystery Prize Jackpot. This is number 2. I won this last Thursday, which was the 7th, December 7th, I believe. So I'm going to open it. I just got it today. So here it is, Cobalt 50-piece mechanics tool set. Thanks Brickseek. For those who don't know about Brickseek, it's a website you can join, and you can be a free member, but if you join you get to find deals, clearance deals and Amazon warehouse deals. Clearance deals are going to be at Walmart, Target, Kohl's, Home Depot, Lowe's, Academy Sports. I'm sure I'm forgetting some other places, but I've been a member for a few years, and they have a Facebook Live presentation on Thursdays. It starts 2 p.m. Central, I think. And there's a Facebook group, but you need to join it. You can learn about getting some clearance bargains, some good bargains. Also Amazon warehouse deals, and you might be able to win jackpot prizes like I did. I won this on Thursday, December 7th. It is the Cobalt 50-piece mechanics tool set, and I won it free of charge. Again, thanks Brickseek, and I hope we get some new members from this. Bye.